What if your browser tabs could turn themselves into apps? Not extensions. Not dashboards. Actual AI-generated apps, built from what you already have open. Today, we're looking at a brand new labs experiment called Disco, and its first feature, GenTabs. Welcome back to Champion EdTech. The web hasn't really changed in years. We still search, open tabs, copy-paste, and forget half of what we opened. Disco is trying to change that. Disco is an experimental platform designed to help you discover new generative AI features for the web. Think of it as a fresh spin on how we interact with information online. Instead of asking AI questions from scratch, Disco starts with something powerful, your existing tabs. The first feature is called GenTabs. GenTabs take the tabs you already have open and turn them into custom, interactive apps. And here's the key idea. GenTabs are generated based on your specific tabs and your specific goal. That means there's no fixed template. No predefined app. No limit to what you can create. Here are a few examples of what GenTabs can already do. If you have astronomy tabs open, you can instantly explore the solar system as an interactive experience. If you're researching flights, hotels, and blogs, you can plan a full trip in one structured view. Food blogs and recipes. GenTabs can create a personalized meal plan. Gardening articles and YouTube videos. You can plan your garden layout, timelines, and tasks. Same tabs. Completely different outcomes. Under the hood, GenTabs uses Gemini 3 to remix your open tabs into usable apps. This isn't just summarization. It's context-aware generation, where AI understands relationships across tabs and turns them into something actionable. This is a big shift. The web moves from being a collection of pages to becoming a workspace that adapts to your intent. As AI agents grow, tools like this hint at a future where browsers don't just display information, they build with you. Disco is still an experiment, and GenTabs is just the beginning. If you want to take the web for a fresh spin and explore what AI-native browsing looks like, join the waitlist and keep an eye on this space. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe to Champion EdTech, and share it with someone who lives in browser tabs. More deep dives into AI tools, agents, and the future of the web coming soon.